Hello everybody. Today we start with the new chapter in Mathematics Standard 9th, that is expansion. The third chapter as per ML Agarwal textbook. So expansion, yeah, it's very important chapter, not only in terms of the chapter but also in terms that this same the expansion formulas are going to be utilized in all the different kinds of topics what you are having in the 9th and the 10th standard. So some or the other you will be using the formulas of expansion. So it's a very important chapter because they will be called as algebraic identities to a certain extent. So we'll just go through the different formulas which are here, and then we can start with the exercise. So these formulas are so important that you need to learn them by heart properly so that you are not missing out on any of these formulas. So in the textbook they have already given you 15 in the first page itself of the chapter. Out of the 15, the first 12 are going to be very important. 13, 14, 15 चलेगा अगर थोड़ा बहुत बाद में किया तो okay. So but the first 12 very important. So let's go one by one. The first one is a plus b the whole square. Of course this is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one being a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one being a plus b a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now this we had learned even in the 8th standard, so that is exactly the same. There is no change over here. Now only thing that now what we are doing is that we are just elaborating these a bit. Means what क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग b के बदले we are saying 1 upon a. So the same formula if I am writing as a plus 1 upon a the whole square automatically becomes a square plus now 2 into 1 upon a is going to be a gets cancelled. It is like that 2 into a into 1 upon a. Now यानी a cancel हो गया plus 1 upon a square. So that's why you are just going to write it as a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. Okay, similarly you have got a minus 1 upon a with the whole square will be a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. And the next one will be of course a combination of these two, that will be a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a will give you a square minus 1 upon a square. So these are the first 6 of them. The 7th one they are given 4 of them, but I would say you can just learn one of them. A x plus a into x plus b will be equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now in this case they have given you 4 formulas here where they have taken this as minus or this as minus or both as minus. So I'll say that better will be that you keep this as it is, और अगर minus है तो हम लोग यहाँ पे वो minus ले लेंगे. Like for example if this would have been like this, that this is like x plus a and this is x minus b, what we'll do is that we'll take the x square and this will take over here a plus minus b into x plus a into minus b. So you know you don't need to learn different formulas over here if you are using this way, okay? Because you know that अगर जहाँ पे minus है I can take that a to be as minus a और b है तो minus b, so I can take it directly that way. So I need not learn 3 other formulas which are exactly the same over here. So that's why we can easily eliminate the 3 formulas of the 7. You can just one of them, we can instead of using 7 ka 1 2 3 4 you can just take one of the 7. The next one will be the 8th one, that will be when you are going 3 terms. So when it is 3 terms it is going to be like this. It is a plus b plus c the whole square will be equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ac. So it's a very simple thing to remember that what you do is that if it is a plus b plus c the whole square, it will be first term square, second term square, third term square plus 2 ab bc and ac. Okay, तो वैसे ऐड करना, तो it will be one easier to learn also. So that is the 8th one. Now we see the cube thing. So it is a plus b the whole cube will be equal to, as such it will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. But if you don't want this one, many times it will not be advisable to take it this way. So in that case, you are going to take it in the form of a bracket, and then you are going to take it as a cube plus b cube, and then you are going to take out 3ab common here, and then say a plus b. Now this is much more easier, because whenever some values are given to you, then a plus b value will be given to you and a cube plus b cube value will be given to you. So automatically here only ab is something which is not known. So that's why you have got both this formula available for a plus b. Similarly, for a minus b, the whole cube will be a cube plus, now here it is this way, the first term will be minus, plus minus plus minus, and if ये plus है तो बाकी minus. So 3a square b, उसके बाद plus, तो 3ab square, उसके बाद minus, तो b cube. And the same way in this format will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and then a minus b. So this is how you are going to take it in case of a minus b the whole cube. Now another one is when you are having the formula for a cube plus b cube. So if it is a cube plus b cube, then it is going to be a plus b, okay, a plus b, and then it will be a square plus 2a plus ab plus b square. So that is the formula for sorry, it will be minus here, प्लस के लिए माइनस है और माइनस के लिए प्लस है. सो दिस विल बी ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब विल बी ए माइनस बी and then a square plus ab plus b square. So that is the formula for a cube minus b cube. Now all these you will have to learn in both directions. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. ये दोनों मालूम होना चाहिए. If this is given to you, you can convert it into this. Or if this is given to you, you can convert this into this, because the requirement for each and every sum will be different. So depending upon the sum, you are going to either use it from right to left or left to right. So that is why it is important for you to know both the sides properly. So these are the main ones, and out of that, the next ones are basically when it is like okay, I'll just write them down, but your learning इसका normally ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता, but anyways you will have to keep it in mind. I'll do one thing, the one which are there in the later part of the chapter also, that is in the second exercise में जो है वो भी हम लोग अभी लिख देते हैं, so that we are not required to write anything further. So I'll just check up if anything is there over there, so that you have got a complete set of all the, yeah, it's not there, fine. So this is the complete set over here. So 15 का 15 जो है वो. Okay. So next we see are the last three equations, last three identities. So it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is given as, so it will be first is a plus b plus c. The second one will be the squares and that part. So it will be first one a square plus b square plus c square, and then you are going to write it as minus ab minus bc minus ac. So this is for a plus b plus c the whole cube, a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc. So that is one part. Similarly, if you have got, now in this itself, if you have got that if a plus b plus c is equal to, now if a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 0, तो ये इधर चला जाएगा, तो a cube plus b cube. So if it is given that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. This is what you need to remember. Connected to this as such, but because see, if this is 0, it is given that a plus b plus c is 0. So if this is 0, the whole thing becomes 0. So this becomes 0. So if this is 0, तो ये इधर लेके जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So that is the Well, and now the 14th one, or the last one, because this was the 15th one. The 14th one is balanced, so that one is given as x plus a into x plus b into x plus c will be equal to. So you have got over here as x cube plus a plus b plus c the x square, and finally it will be plus ab plus bc plus ac x, and last is ABC. So again very simple to remember. When it is like this, what will happen? 3 है इसीलिए x क्यूब पहले, उसके बाद x स्क्वायर के साथ में क्या आएगा? a प्लस बी प्लस सी, फिर x के साथ क्या आएगा? a b b c a c, एंड देन सो फर्स्ट टर्म x क्यूब, x स्क्वायर के साथ में सिंगल टर्म्स, x के साथ में डबल टर्म्स, एंड देन ओनली a into b into c. So that's how you can remember the identity number 14. So this is about the different formulas which we are going to use in this chapter. Okay, if you learn this particular formulas, then automatically the whole chapter is quite easy, because it is then just the substitution of the values in this particular formula. So okay, so let's start with the exercise 3.1. So there again 1 and 2 in all the cases. So I'll take all the ones. So 1 ka 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll just go that way. So first one, 2x plus 7y the whole square. So we are using the formula here, a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So accordingly my a is 2x and b is 7y, so it is 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 7y plus 7y the whole square. Okay, got it? So my a is 2x and b is 7x, so a square के बदले 2x the whole square, 2ab के लिए 2 into 2x into 7y, and b square के बदले 7y. So now you open the bracket, 2x is nothing but 4x square plus 7 2s are 14, 14s are 28, so 28xy plus 49y square. So that is the answer for the first question. We move on to the next question, question number 2. That is 3x plus 1 upon 2x the whole square. So again we have the same formula, a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now always remember to write the formula in each and every question so that you are not making a mistake. At the same time, it also helps you to give a good impression about your answers, what you are writing. Okay, so that's why it will be better that you always write the formula. Right, so that will be giving you 3x square will be 9x square plus this x and x gets cancelled and this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. It will be 3 plus 1 upon 4x square. So that's the answer for sum number 2. We now move on to sum number 3. It's 3x minus 1 upon 2x the whole square. Again the same thing, it will be a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Accordingly 3x the whole square minus 2 into 3x into 1 upon 2x in plus 1 upon 2x the whole square. So x 2 cancels, so it is 9x square minus 3 plus 1 upon 4x square. So that's the answer for sum number 3. We now move on to sum number 4. There are 4 sums in it, so we'll do the first and the third one. X plus 3, x plus 5. So x plus 3, x plus 5. So that is going to be the value x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So substitute values x का x ही है, तो x square plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3 into 5. So that will give you x squared plus 8x plus 15. That's the sum for number 4. That was first part of sum number 4. Now the third part of sum number 4. That is x minus 7 and x plus 9. So again the formula will be x plus a into x plus b is equals to x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. So here because it's minus, so I'll take the a to be minus, so it will be x square plus minus 7 plus 9 x plus minus 7 into 9. So that will give you x square plus 2x minus 63. So that's the answer. We move on to sum number 5. It is x minus 2y minus z the whole square. That is nothing but a plus b plus c. The whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab bc plus ac. So that's how we are going to take it as. So it will be x square plus minus 2y the whole square plus minus z the whole square plus 2 into x into minus 2y plus minus 2y into minus z plus x into minus z. So that is the complete thing. So now open the brackets. This will be given as x square plus 4y square plus z square. It's minus but it's become squared. The square of minus z will be z square itself. So plus 2 into, this will be minus 2xy. This will be plus 2yz minus xz. So that will be giving you x square plus 4y square plus z square plus नहीं होगा माइनस होगा minus 4xy plus 4yz minus 2xz. That's the answer for sum number 5. We now move on to sum number 6. Sum number 6 is 2x plus 3 upon x minus 1 the whole square. Again the formula will remain the same, this one, that is a plus b plus c the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ac. So that gives me that first thing as 2x the whole square plus 3 upon x the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3 upon x plus 3 upon x into minus 1 plus 2x into minus 1. So this x and this x gets cancelled. So this will be equal to 4x square plus 9 upon x square minus plus 1 plus 2 into 6 plus, sorry, it will be minus 3 upon x minus 2x. So accordingly the answer will be, final answer, 4x square plus 9 upon x square plus 1 plus 12 minus 6 upon x minus 4x. Now this two gets added up. So final answer will be 4x square plus 9x square plus 13 minus 6 upon x minus 4x. So that's the answer for sum number 6. I'll just check this thing so that there is no issue later on. So So sum number 6 is, yeah, that's the correct answer. We now move on to sum number 7. It is x plus 2 the whole cube. X plus 2 the whole cube. So it is a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that will give you as x cube plus 3x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus 2 cube. So that will be x cube plus 6x square plus 4 3s are 12x plus 2 to the 4 4 to the 8. So that will be the right answer for sum number 7. We now move on to sum number 8. It is 3x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. So again the same formula, a cube a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Right? So that will be 3x the whole cube plus 3 into 3x the whole square into 1 upon x plus 3 into 3x into 1 upon x the whole square plus 1 upon x the whole cube. That will be 3 to the 9 and the 27. 27x cube plus 3 into 9x square into 1 upon x. So this cancels. Plus 3 into 3x into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. So this square cancels. So that will be 27x cube plus 9 is 27x plus 9 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. So that's the answer for sum number 8. We now move on to sum number 9. Sum number 9, that is 5x minus 3y the whole cube. So that is going to be a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So that will be 5x the whole cube minus 3 into 5x the whole square into 3y plus 3 into 5x into 3y the whole square minus 3y the whole cube. So this is 5 5s are 25, 25 is 125, so 125x cube minus 5 square is 25, 25 into 9 is 225x square y plus this is 15, 5 is 15, 15 9s are 135, so it is 135 xy square and this is minus 27y cube. So that will be the answer for sum number 9. Okay, we now move on to sum number 10. So now we have to simplify, so we will be having two formulas in the same one. So it will be a plus b the whole square minus, no plus a minus b the whole square. Okay. So we know over here this is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. This gets cancelled, so it will be 2a square plus 2b square. That's the answer. Simple. Similarly, sum number 11 we have over here a plus 1 upon a the whole square plus a plus minus 1 upon a the whole square. So again it will be a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square plus a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. Plus and minus 2 gets cancelled, so it will be 2a square plus 2 upon a square. So that's the answer for sum number 11. We move on to sum number 12. You got now as 3x minus 1 the whole square minus 3x plus 2, minus 2 and 3x plus 1. So opening the brackets, what you get over here will be 9x square minus 2 into 3x into 1 will be 6x plus 1 minus, and here it will be 3x into 3x will be 9x square, and then it will be minus 2 plus 1 will be equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x. Okay, I'll just show you this thing. Over here, this is in the formula a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And this one over here is x minus a into x plus b is equals to x square, or as we said rightly, minus a plus b x plus minus a into b. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So this minus this is what we are going to have in this thing. Accordingly, it is 3x the whole square minus 2 into 3x into 1 plus 1 into the whole square minus, on the other hand we get 3x the whole square plus minus 2 plus 1 into 3x plus minus 2 into 1. So this gives you as 9x square minus 6x plus 1 minus, this is 9x square, this is minus 3x minus 2. So now opening the bracket we get 9x square minus 6x plus 1 minus 9x square plus 3x plus 2. So this gets cancelled, so answer will be minus 3x plus 3. That was sum number 12. We now move on to sum number 13. Sum number 13, that is 7p plus 9q into 7p minus 9q. This is the format of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So there is nothing but 7p the whole square minus 9q the whole square. That will be 49p square minus 81q square. So that's the answer for sum number 13. We move on to sum number 14. 2x minus y, okay. Sum number 14 we have here as 2x minus y plus 3 and 2x minus y minus 3. So what we'll do is that we'll take this as a. So we'll take it as a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, where a is nothing but 2x minus y the whole square minus 3 the whole square. So it will be 2x minus whole square is what? It is nothing but 4. It will be 2x the whole square minus 2 into 2x into y plus y square minus 9. So this gives you as 2x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 9. That's the answer for sum number 14. We move on to sum number 15. It is x plus 2 upon x minus 3 and x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Okay, so what we'll do is that we will take x minus 3 as one part, so we'll take it as this way: x minus 3 plus 2 upon x and x minus 3 minus 2 upon x. So this is my a, this is my b. So accordingly will be a minus a plus b, a minus b will be a square minus b square. So that is, what is a? X minus 3 the whole square minus 2 upon x the whole square. So this will become x square minus, this will be 2 into x into 3, so it will be 6x plus 9 minus 4 upon x square. So that's the answer for sum number 15. Okay, that was sum number 15. We move on to sum number 16 in the next video.